Pizza is Italy's most famous export, and it's been said that it was invented in Naples, the capital of Campania. And my favorite go-to pizza is a Margherita, and it's really easy to make your very own amazing pizza dough. This is a yeast that's already been activating for me in warm water with a little sugar, creating lots of great little bubbles that lightens and lifts pizza dough. And like many pasta doughs, there's no exact recipe. It's all about the feel and who's making the dough. So my dough is fully kneaded, it's soft, supple, and ready to rest. A little splash of olive oil. That's so my dough doesn't stick to the bowl. Cover it with a cloth and tuck it away in a warm place to rise. The yeast has been busy. Look at the size of this piece of dough now. It is 3-4 times the original size. Next step. Simply to divide my dough into 4. These 4 pieces of dough are going to have to rest and relax and rise one more time. And during the time you're waiting for your dough to rise, you can get on with a few little things, like the toppings and the sauce. Olive oil to my San Marzano tomatoes, the famous tomatoes of Campania. They are beautiful, ruby red, and the San Marzanos are known for being really fleshy and very little acidity, so they're perfect for this pizza. And the yeast has done its magic one more time. This now is the fun part. Gently take your dough, and you see how light and fluffy that is. You can move it around once you've floured the board, and the tips of your fingers, just pushing it around, spreading it out, and as it gets a little larger, I now start to use more surface area of my hand. And let's make a pizza. Next on my pizza, a little mozzarella di bufala, or buffalo milk mozzarella. Soft, slightly sweet, and a really prized cheese from Campania. And my Margherita pizza is ready to go into the oven. pizza stone will do a great job. This looks terrific. Just 2 little things to add to the pizza. Fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil. That's the crunchy pizza crust concerto. I can't think of a better way to bring a taste of Napoli into your kitchen than making this pizza.